English journey. Daily routines vocabulary. Water the plant. Water the plant. Comb the hair. Comb the hair. Take a break. Have a break. Do gardening. Do gardening. Do homework. Do homework. Surf the net. Surf the internet. Surf the net. Surf the internet. Have a nap. Take a nap. Have a nap. Take a nap. Fold the laundry. Fold the laundry. Clean the window. Clean the window. Wash the dishes. Do the dishes. Wash the dishes. Do the dishes. Read the paper. Read the newspaper. Read the paper. Read the newspaper. Chat with friends. Chat with friends. Wake up. Wake up. Do exercise. Take exercise. Do exercise. Take exercise. Wash the face. Wash the face. Take a shower. Have a shower. Take a shower. Have a shower. Take a bath. Take a bath. Review the to-do list. Review the to-do list. Play video games. Play video games. Take the children to school. Take the children to school. Vacuum the rug. Vacuum the rug. Go shopping. Go shopping. Feed the baby. Feed the baby. Feed the pet. Feed the pet. Take out the trash. Take out the garbage. Take out the trash. Take out the garbage. Check emails. Check emails. Listen to music. Listen to podcast. Listen to music. Listen to podcast. Hang the clothes. Hang the clothes. Fill up the car with petrol. Fill up the car with gas. Fill up the car with petrol. Fill up the car with gas. Take a test. Take a test. Study for an exam. Study for an exam. Sweep the floor. Sweep the floor. Put on makeup. Put on makeup. Mop the floor. Mop the floor. Wipe down the desk. Wipe down the desk. Clean the house. Clean the house. Eat or have. Lunch. Dinner. Breakfast. Have a snack. Have a snack. Be in class. Be in class. Take the bus to work. Take the bus to school. Take the bus to work. Take the bus to school. Go to the grocery store. Go to the grocery store. Buy groceries. Get groceries. Buy groceries. Get groceries. Make the bed. Make the bed. Drive to work. Drive to work. Take notes. Take notes. Go jogging. Go jogging. Go to sleep. Go to sleep. Walk the dog. Walk the dog. Brush the teeth. Brush the teeth. Cook dinner. Make dinner. Cook dinner. Make dinner. Go for a walk. Take a walk. Go for a walk. Watch TV. Watch TV. Read the book. Read the book. Phone friends. Call friends. Phone friends. Call friends. Dust the house. Dust the house. Get dressed. Get dressed. Use social media. Use social media. Take a taxi. Take a taxi. Meditate. Meditate. Eat out. Eat out. Play games. Play games. Go out with friends. Go out with friends. Iron the clothes. Iron the clothes. Drink coffee. Drink milk. Drink coffee. Drink milk. Do the laundry. Do the laundry. Work. Work. Go to work. Leave home. Go to work. Leave home. Get to work. Arrive at work. Get to work. Arrive at work. Finish work. Go home. Finish work. Go home. Get home. Get home.